And welcome back. Well, this is the 8th year that Oakwood Church in Heartland is hosting a free health clinic, which includes flu shots, dental checkups, medical screenings, and so much more. It's estimated that about 250,000 people in Milwaukee are underinsured or uninsured.
So the church has partnered with Touch Twice United, a nonprofit national organization, in order to provide these much needed benefits. And joining us now from Oakwood is Sarah Geist, and Andy Larson is with Touch Twice Lake Country. And we are so excited to have you guys here this morning.
Thanks for having us.
This is such an all-encompassing day of providers uniting for a better cause. Talk a little bit about how this came to be in Milwaukee.
Well, Touch Twice is a national ministry that does clinics like this all over the place, and actually started in Latin America, but it's been in Heartland now for 8 years at Oakwood Church, and it's the mission of the church to reach out to people in need. And as you said, there's something like a 250,000 people who are uninsured or underinsured in Milwaukee, so there's a huge need for this. And so we've been doing it now for 8 years, and each year it builds and we add some more services. And a lot of the professionals out there, doctors, dentists, attorneys, etc., have taken notice and are donating their time. So each year it grows a little bit. So we're really excited.
And by growing, you mean like in years you've served over 400 people?
Yes, yeah.
And you can handle more.
Yeah, yes. We've had 2,000 total roughly in the 8 years, and 420 is the most we've done. We hope to top that this year. There's certainly room for growth.
Well, let's kind of go through some of the things you're offering, because I just think it's incredible the amount of services that are going to be there. And this, we talked about some of the medical things, screenings, vision, hearing, all that kind of stuff. But you also have things like haircuts, family portraits, hot meals, resume help. There's goods and services like free socks, underwear, hats, mittens, all those types of things. This runs the whole gamut.
Yeah, it really does. Like Andy was saying, we've been really blessed with people just outpouring their time and donating services. We have dental vouchers that will be given out where people can be diagnosed with what might be wrong with them, and then actually on their own time be able to see a dentist who will help with extractions or fillings, that kind of thing. So it's been just wonderful to see the outpouring from the community to just love on everyone around us.
And another thing too, and this is something I think big to point out, there's no intimidation factor here because there's also Spanish translators who will be on hand. So you can walk in, and do you need to like set up appointments? Do you just come in and say, okay, I need these things?
Right.
How does this work?
Yep, so people will just come in, they can register as early as 8:30 in the morning at the church, and they'll be paired up with a guide who will help them take them around the church and get their most needed services. So they're actually able to even rank what's most important to them to make sure that those most important services are seen first.
What are you seeing as some of the most important things? Because I think a lot of these are basic rights that we all should be able to be cared for about.
Well, I mean, there's a wide array of very basic medical services that many people don't have, and there's a lot of things like chiropractic care, for instance. It's estimated that something like 80% of all adults have back pain. It's an incredibly common thing. So vision services, chiropractic, basic medical testing, that's all really important, so you can catch things before they get bad, and a lot of people just don't have access to that. So that's what we're trying to provide.
It's so lovely too, though, that on top of all of that, things like family portraits, like Tiff mentioned, I mean, that's a luxury for most of us, but that's being provided also. It's just such a nice touch.
They'll have actually printed out pictures that day as well, and the ability to receive the digital image over their email as well, if they have an email. So we're really excited about offering that this year again.
What a cool thing.
Why are you guys doing it? What does it mean to you to be able to be a part of it?
Well, as I said, the mission of the church is to reach out to people in need, and there's such a great need. And I think, we all go through our day-to-day working lives doing whatever it is we do, and we, want to feel ultimately like we're making a difference. We're really helping someone. And this is something that, to me, it's like I can see the benefit to people and feel good about it. And I think it's, everyone who's involved has that same feeling.
Even something as simple as flu shots you guys will be offering, right? Who's doing the flu shots?
Froedtert Community Memorial Hospital, Medical College of Wisconsin is actually providing the flu shots. This is their second year coming back. They really enjoyed their time last year, so they were happy to come back again this year.
Yeah, another thing that's, everyone needs it, but it's not accessible for a lot of people.
Right.
So tell somebody, definitely. I think the important thing here is to get the word out so that everybody can come if you need to. So tell somebody if this doesn't necessarily apply to your your family, it will probably apply to someone you know. And you can learn more by going to oakwoodnow.org or calling the number on your screen, 262-367-1212.
And there also, I want to mention, 2 free buses running, or there's free buses running from 2 Waukesha locations, the Barstow Building and the Hope Center as well. So if you don't have a car, there's transportation that'll take you there as well.
Yeah, and easy to get to.
Yeah.
Just up 83 from 94.
Great. Thanks for being here, you guys.
Thank you so much for having
Thank
us.
I hope you hit 1,000 people this year.
We
That
do.
would be wonderful.
Absolutely.